Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly is in bed, and I got a package today. Now, the thing I ordered is for a project that I'm doing, which I'm going to do not today because I don't think I have the materials for it, so I have to order some stuff. And I tried to order it on cubicle.com, which is my go-to store, but it was discontinued. I ordered it a little bit too late, pulled the trigger on it a little bit too late, and they discontinued it. And I was like, oh my God, what am I going to do? But luckily I found it, and I ordered it yesterday. It came today, so it must be somewhere nearby. But so I did get it. So let me go ahead and open it up. So this is the GAN 16 MagLev, the winter edition. So that's what I have. Cute station. Let me get it out the plastic. Now my project is I'm going to make this into a limited prints edition. Prints limited edition GAN 16. So what I'm going to do is print out some like the Prince symbol that he would call himself for a while. Put that on there. Put some Purple Rain stuff on there, and hopefully it comes out nice. And then I display it up there in my shelf. They put an ugly ass sticker right on the box, which I do not like, because that might not come off so easily. They should have stuck it on the bottom. Here we go. That is a nice opening. Look at that. And when you lift it up, it actually pops the middle part up like that. So I'm definitely keeping the box. I'm going to cover this up right here and put print symbol, and right here too. And then on top, something to do with prints. I don't want to overdo it, but I think that's good. And then you got, ooh, it's cold. It was outside for a little bit. Got a purple case to it. That is nice. Look at that. That is so awesome. It is cold. If I hit this button, does it open up? Yes. Oh. Look at that. That is so nice. Ooh. And you got magnets. It's just like the GAN 16. You can change the magnets to make it weaker or stronger. Ooh, that's like, it's cold, so it looks like I'm touching ice right now. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Right out of the box, it feels nice. Ooh, look. It's got a little frost on it. Look at that. I am so glad I pulled the trigger on it. That's nice. It feels so smooth. Nice. No matter what I do, it's soft. Look at that. That's amazing. So yeah, I am going to change this into a Prince cube, and it's going to look awesome. If you go to the Gonzo Book YouTube video channel, I do have a little fake kind of advertisement for the Prince cube coming out, like GAN put it out or something, but it's just me going to make one. Got some pretty good views on it, so I got lucky there. So hopefully people don't think Prince cube is really coming out. So yeah. Oh, this is so smooth. I don't know what they did. What is it? It's a MagLev. I gotta get my 16 out and compare it, but I like this cube. Corner cutting. 45. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Cap release. That's pretty. Alright, there goes the accessory box. Nothing fancy. Oh, look at that. That's also in purple. That's a nice purple too. It's rich. Look at that. And then the fire hydrant is also purple. Alright, gang, that's good. I like it. Look at that. It is a very nice, I have to say, it feels very good. Let's see if the whole thing fits in there. If you take this cube somewhere, you definitely want to protect it. Alright, the whole thing does fit in there. So if you wanted to, it's a little too fancy for me here. I just need a drawstring. This is kind of too fancy for me. You gotta tie a bow, but it is what it is. Bam. Or you can stick it in there without the So I got the cap release, and it does come with another card. I guess for a cube like this, I don't mind all this fancy stuff because it is a collector's item. So it comes with a little GAN sticker logo. I think that's clear. Yep, it's round and clear. And then this, or you can put these nice crystal type. Each one is a different color. I am not going to put stickers on there because I'm making it my Prince cube. And what I want is, I want the picture to fill some of the stuff on it, but I'm going to keep it clear. So I got to make sure when I stick pictures on there, it's not, I don't want to cover the whole thing. I just want the picture to get inside each cube. Clear, and it's sparkly, and that is, which I call the innards, but that's the mechanism to tighten it up, and I like it. Yeah, I like a cap that comes off by just maybe maneuvering the cube a little bit and just taking it out. Oh, you know what? You can take it out with your fingernails. So it's not that hard. Let me see if I can get this one. Yep. You can get it out without the... and you probably can change this by using a screwdriver. I'm not going to try it because I don't want to mess it up. Man, this is so smooth. Look, I'm not locking up at all. I'm not even paying attention. Look at that. Not locking up at all. I locked up there a little bit, but that's just me. Man, this is so nice. And that goes in there like this. Ooh, that's exactly how I'm going to display it. Just like that. Man, this is nice. I don't know if they did anything different to it, so I'm going to... Give me a second. Let me try to find my GAN 16 Max. Alright, it's in the cube bag. Now, if you haven't seen my other videos, this is a cube bag I made, and I just added my patch. And I added the, I actually had one that said Gonzo Book on it. So I got the Gonzo Book here, Gonzo Book Gonzalez. I got the cubicle patch, and of course, the USA flag. In this part, I added Velcro to the back, so if I wanted to put this in front, so you can't even see it, I put Velcro in the back, and then I burn the edges so it won't fray. And so if I wanted to, I could put this in the front as well because it's Velcro. So I'm going to leave it right there where it is. Alright, let's see if I can find... This might be it. Let me see. Got it in the tube sock. Got to take it out the cube socks. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Alright, this is nice. Let's see if it feels the same now. I don't know, this feels icy smooth, but I'm not just saying that because it looks like purple ice. This looks like it's a little more tighter. Now that's my GAN V100. Man, GAN, you make some nice cubes. They're just so freaking expensive. That is so nice. So nice. This is definitely more looser than the other one, but I'm just going to keep it like that. So, wow. The V100, 16, the regular GAN 16V MagLev UV. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it into a Prince cube by using, I have a folder right here, it's called Prince Cube, and it has most of the pictures that I probably want for the cube. I might change one or two of them. So there you have it. I'm going to close it up. Put that thing back in, close it up. That's how it looks. I'm just going to... This sucks right here. I'm going to have to take that out. Nice. Cool. In case you didn't see the video, look at my hook and loop training cube. It's Velcro. Can't use Velcro as a name because it's copyrighted. Or trademark, I should say. So that's my training cube, and everything is stuck on there by hook and loop fasteners. And that's my training cube. So if I wanted to take some stickers out, like right here, I can make it into a training cube, and when I'm done, I can keep it that way or make it whole again. Because you can solve this thing. It's still solvable. That's all I have. If you have any questions, comment down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.